Hello everyone, welcome to the Finland Academy and MTED software. In the series of Market Decoded, we will see how week was and what are the key levels for coming week. So this is a end of month as well as the end of week. So if we pay attention first on the monthly chart, month on month basis, we can see that the market is just mildly down. So 0.5% the market is down as compared to the closing of our previous month. But in this particular 4 months, we are seeing the prices are broader range. So let's say if I take the range of these 4 months, so 15,000 on the high side to the 13,500 on the lower side. So this is what the 1,500 range has happened. And if we little bit more fine tuned, then we can understand that for a past many couple of the weeks, we are in the range of 15,000 on the higher side and 14,200, 300 on the lower part. If you look at the weekly chart, so here we understand that the prices are moving on the lower side. It is forming the lower high and lower sequence on the line chart as well. If I just try to connect with trend lines, so the formation will be like this. So here we are just connecting our turning points. So this is how the broader formations that we have witnessed. Index is trading into the sideways momentum, but rather than outwriting or calling it as a negative momentum, it will be a more better to say that we are into the consolidation patch. This is what the weekly chart formations that we are seeing. Prices has formed the large tail over here, wick over here, which represents that means we are witnessing some sorts of selling pressure in higher end, and this selling pressure is emerging from the resistance band only. Now, if we look at the daily chart, so on the daily chart, in this particular consolidation patch, we can see that there are lots of bull traps and bear traps are happening. In this patch, we have seen or witnessed the both bull trap as well as the bear trap. So let's say this is what our one particular range on the higher side. This is what the range on the lower side. So here we can witness that means there is a bear trap has created over here. The prices has created a bull trap over here. So traps in the consolidation market is very obvious ones. So this is how the structure is happening, and this is what the range that we're talking about, the 15,000 on the higher side and 40,200, 300 on the low side. So going forward, market remains in a certain kind of in this particular consolidation patch we can say, and the key levels that it has created the resistance level on the high side, which is nothing but 14,900 to 15,000 level, and on the low side the broader support levels lies in this. So this is what the extreme range that we can talk about, and as far as the view is concerned, we can say that it is still a sideways market. Bank Nifty stocks and auto stocks are at a very important level. If you find any kind of tractions over there and index is moving above the 15,000 level, then we can say that there is a scope of positive momentum. Otherwise, the broader view remains a sideways to negative, we can say. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.